Namaste. Welcome to Swar Sadhana's 711th monthly program for the month of May. This is a very special program as Swar Sadhana Samiti's co-founder, Pandit K.K.S. Jijina, was born on the 11th of May in 1921. So we celebrate his birth centenary, 100 years from his birth, with you, our dear viewers, and with a very special program and a different format from our previous monthly programs. As always, we begin with Saraswati Vandana, paying homage to Ma Saraswati. For the Vandana, the lyrics and the music have been composed by Swar Sadhana Samiti's co-founders, Pandit K.K.S. Jijina and Dr. Aban E. Mistry. Saraswati Vandana.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः.
A fervent devotee of Ma Saraswati, Pandit K.K.S. Tijina was not only a gifted sitarist, but also a scholarly musician, creative writer, and the co-founder of Swar Sadhana Samiti, Mumbai's progressive music institution. Pandit K.K.S. Tijina in his lifetime gave solo performances at music programs all over India and abroad, and visited several universities as a judge. He also was trained and enjoyed playing the flute, violin, and jaltaran. He was initiated into the world of Indian classical music by the celebrated vocalist Master Mohan. His gurus were also Pandit Pandurang Ambedkarji, Pandit Rajaram Kopardeji, and Ustad Dastagir Khan. Tijinaji's advanced training for sitar vadan was under the tutelage of none other than Bharat Ratna Pandit Ravi Shankarji, as well as Pandit Jaisuklal Shahji. Thereafter, Pandit Tijinaji spent close to half a century teaching and guiding numerous disciples of Indian classical music. Outstanding among these were the First Lady of India, Tabla Maestro Dr. Aban E. Mistry, and his own son, Pandit Sapal Keki Tijina. Tragically, due to a near-fatal accident, his bright career as a sitarist ended prematurely. Not one to compromise on standards, he gave up performing on stage. However, he continued training talents in Indian classical instrumental music through the Samiti's classes. His life's dream to offer unknown talents from all over India an opportunity to perform on stage was fulfilled with the founding of Swar Sadhana Samiti on a Dasera day in 1961, albeit with many obstacles that he overcame. We have included memories of Panditji from artists and accompanists who have performed for our Samiti, and from his family spanning 3 generations, to share the varied relationships that he forged over his lifetime, leaving an indelible mark on all whom he interacted with. His complete immersion in Indian classical music and his absolute surrender to Ma Saraswati led to his latent spirituality coming to the fore. This resulted in many discourses to his disciples and articles written on matters both philosophical and spiritual. You will enjoy nuggets from these, which form part of this commemoration. He worked tirelessly, helped anonymously, and guided quietly till his very last breath on the 14th of August in 2003. Just as he led our Samiti, Pandit Keki S. Jijina's sacred spirit continues to be our shining light, guiding us to work hard and evolve, to ensure that we continue to remain relevant. Indian classical music and dance forms are now available for all across the world, online on Swar Sadhana Samiti's YouTube channel, just as he would have liked and done. For us, within Swar Sadhana Samiti, our Pujya Guruji remains etched in memory as father, grandfather, brother, spiritual guide, mentor and protector. Jai Gurudev.
नमस्कार। मैं आज पंडित केकी जिजीना जो मेरे गुरुजी थे उसके बारे में कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ। वो मेरे गुरुजी थे, मगर गुरुजी से भी ज्यादा मेरे पिता समान थे और उन्होंने मेरे को जिंदगी का पाठ सिखाया और मेरे को साधारण मनुष्य में से एक आदमी बनाया और जो भी मेरे को बोला समझाया वो सब आज मेरे को अभी याद आता है कि इतना साल हुआ गुरुजी के साथ। मेरे का 45 साल का मेरा संबंध है उनके साथ में और ये 45 साल के अंदर मैं बहुत कुछ सीखा उनके पास से, बहुत कुछ समझा, बहुत कुछ आदमी उनके पास आते थे, उनको देखा, सुना और उनका जो कहने का मतलब था वो सब मैंने अपना जीवन में उतारा और अभी जो मैं आज जो हूँ वो गुरुजी की कृपा से हूँ, गुरुजी की दया से।
We are indeed privileged to speak on the auspicious occasion of the birth centenary, 11th May 2021, of our revered Guruji and Swar Sadhana Samiti's co-founder, Pandit Keki S. Jijina. Our Pujya Guruji was an epitome of love, compassion, and tolerance, conquering the hearts of all who came under his divine power. He always considered others first, lived for others over self, and that is why he is remembered forever. To narrate all about Guruji would well nigh be impossible in this short video. Hence, I shall illustrate a few anecdotes about my association with him through Swar Sadhana Samiti. In his initial years as an artist, Guruji himself underwent untold hardships to get an opportunity to perform. Since he did not want other artists to go through the same struggle, he, along with his disciple, Dr. Aban E. Mistry, founded the music institution Swar Sadhana Samiti to give a stage to the artist. In spite of financial constraints, he continued with his mission with unflinching faith in Ma Saraswati. When he first started conducting monthly programs, he would travel to far-off suburbs to personally invite the artists and convince them of a sincere devotion to this worthy cause, because 60 years ago there were no telephones. Again, both Guruji and Abanji would collect money to remunerate the artist in these monthly programs by skipping their afternoon lunch. We saw at first hand that his love for a worthy cause, sincere, truthful sacrifice, and utmost faith in Ma Saraswati would always bear fruits. The artist greatly appreciated his efforts and readily agreed to perform. We've heard artists mention the rapturous joy, pleasure, spiritual upliftment they experienced after their performance from the stage of Swar Sadhana Samiti, and they always said it was unmatched to any other experience. Guruji would always do puja to Ma Saraswati before all the Swar Sadhana Samiti music programs to bless the performing artists. A man of strict punctuality, he'd insist on starting all his programs on the dot of time, as stated on the invite. If any artist was late, Guruji would immediately request another artist from the audience and start the program. Same with our competitions. So, all concerned would always be punctual to attend. He'd refrain from inviting chief guests for our programs, knowing full well of their unpunctual habits, and say that Ma Saraswati was the chief guest. Guruji never compromised on his principles and was willing to forgo all benefits for his. The way he conducted himself during programs with artists encouraged all his disciples to work for this worthy cause with so much love and affection was indeed a fascinating experience. He'd make us feel so important and thanked us and praised us as if we were doing all the work, when in reality he'd be the silent power behind. So humble and modest was he. He recognized each one's special ability and gift, allowing them to bloom, and taught us to work in a united manner. Guruji's loving and childlike disposition attracted children who would flock around him and readily work so efficiently for the Samiti. A great visionary, he'd always instilled so much faith and confidence in them as he believed they were the future torchbearers. That is why today, when we look back, Swar Sadhana Samiti has managed to continue its mission through these 60 years, through 3 generations, which he so selflessly trained through love and compassion. He never worked for personal name or fame, but for others, to fulfill their wishes, and found great joy to see them happy in spite of his personal sacrifice and struggle. He always taught us to forgive when we saw him forgiving his tormentors. If they deserved awards, he'd invite them for programs and give them the award, unmindful about their differences or unjust behavior. He was just content with his love for Ma and seeing others around him happy. The greatest gift that God can bestow on mankind is the blessings and guidance of a guru, the assurance and fearlessness instilled in our lives through his divine presence. The Setner family will forever be indebted to our Pujya Guruji, Pandit Keki S. Jijina, for choosing us as his disciples.
नमस्ते। आज स्वर साधना समिति का एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण कार्यक्रम है हमारा, क्योंकि आज ये महीने में और ये साल में हमारे पूज्य गुरुजी केकी एस जिजीना उनका जन्म शताब्दी का साल है और उनका जन्म का महीना भी है। ये महीना और ये साल हमारे लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है, क्योंकि हमारे गुरुजी पंडित एस केकी जिजीना और आबान जी सालों पहले जब उन्होंने ये संस्था स्थापना की थी, तब से आज तक ये संस्था बहुत सारे कलाकारों को मंच दे पाई है और ये इनकी परंपरा है जो हम आगे चलाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। गुरुजी हमारे पर्टिकुलरली मेरे आध्यात्मिक गुरु थे, आज भी है। हमें मार्गदर्शन दिया, उन्होंने जिंदगी में कैसे व्यवहार करना, परिवार में कैसे व्यवहार करना और बहुत कुछ सिखाया। वो एक इतना उनमें प्यार था कि हमें ऐसे उनके सामने लगता था जब उनके पास रहते थे कि बस और हमें कुछ नहीं चाहिए। और उन्होंने ऐसा सबके साथ किया है और हम लोग उनके बहुत ही शुक्रगुजार हैं। थैंक यू।
નમસ્કાર વાડિયા સંગીત ક્લાસના તેમજ સ્વર સાધનાના સર્વે પ્રિયજનોને તેમજ ગુરુજીના સર્વે વાલાઓને ફિરુઝા પટેલ ઉર્ફ ગુરુજીની દીકરી ફિલુ મમ્મીના સાદર પ્રણામ। ગુરુજી માટે શું કહું? ડેડી એ તો વાલનો દરિયો હતો। જ્યારે બી એમને સ્મરણ કરો ત્યારે એમ જ લાગે કે ડેડી આપણી સાથે છે। એમને આખી જિંદગી 8x10 રૂમની અંદર કોલાબા પર વિતાવી, જ્યાં ગરીબો ને તવંગરો બંને આવીને એક જ જગ્યાએ બેસતા હતા એમના દોલિયા પર। ડેડી એને માટે તો ઘણા શબ્દો છે, ગ્રંથો લખીએ તો એ ઓછા પડે, એટલા વાલા ને એટલા એના ભરેલા હતા મારા ડેડી કે જે કોઈની જોડે વાત કરે એમને એમ જ લાગે કે ડેડી તો એમના જ છે। સુખ તેને જેનાથી સુખ બીજાને, આ વાક્ય ડેડી હંમેશા બોલતા હતા। આ તો હતો મારો પર્સનલ અનુભવ। એવા તો ડેડીના ઘણા અનુભવો છે જે વ્યક્ત કરવા બેસું તો આખો ગ્રંથ ઓછો પડે। આ સાથે જ વાડિયા સંગીત ક્લાસના સર્વે બાલાઓ તેમજ સ્વર સાધના સમિતિના સર્વે પ્રિયજનોને મોટુંના આશીર્વાદ તેમજ ગુડ લક। जय श्री कृष्ण।
नमस्कार। हरि रूठे गत एक है, गुरु शरणागत जाए। हरि रूठे गत एक है, गुरु शरणागत जाए। गुरु रूठे गत एको नाही, हरि न होय सहाय। आप सब जिन्हें पंडित केकी एस जीजीना के नाम से जिन्हें जानते हैं, वो मेरे लिए मेरे गुरु थे, मेरे पिता थे, मेरे दादा थे। ये संबंध को नाम देना बहुत मुश्किल है, बहुत गलत होगा। ये एक एहसास है। मुझे जिंदगी का सार सिखाया गुरुजी ने, मुझे जिंदगी सिखाई गुरुजी ने, मुझे जिंदगी के साथ जीना सिखाया गुरुजी ने। जो जिंदगी है वो क्या है, क्यों मिली है और उसका क्या करना है, वो सिखाया मुझे गुरुजी ने।
At the outset, I must say the relationship between Pandit Keki S. Jijina and myself was not that he was my guru of Shastriya Sangeet. Guruji was and remains today my spiritual guru, my spiritual guide. This is something that I am very grateful for, and I believe this is my biggest blessing in this lifetime. So I wake up with gratitude and go to sleep every night with gratitude that I have my Guruji and I feel his presence. Guruji was a most modern, forward-thinking, inclusive person, especially as he grew older. His expressions, his words, and his little bit of musty and humor resonated so well with the younger generation. Myself when I was younger, and then as my children grew up. Significantly, Guruji and Abanji, Dr. Abani Mistry, both co-founders of our Swar Sadhana Samiti, trained us. And today, sometimes when we all meet, we don't know how and when and why, but it happened in such a natural, organic way. So there are layers of 3 generations that were trained, and it was all very fun to get together and, organize programs and be there for every monthly program, every annual, every competition. And today we're all part of Swar Sadhana Parivar, and we're all very proud of it. So that's all I say. Thank you, Guruji, for finding me. Please just stay with me forever. Thank you for your guidance, for your love, and above all, for blessings. My homage for anything that I do through Swar Sadhana Samiti is for Guruji and to Ma Saraswati. Jai Gurudev.
Hi, my name is Shahrukh, and I'm honored to be here today to speak a few words for my Guruji's 100th birthday anniversary. I know my Guruji since I was a kid, and I used to go to the classes for pujas. And I used to go with my dad and my mom because I was a small kid, and some memories I have of Guruji is Guruji used to always call me and tell me that if I say anything, he would say, "Tu to mano dikro che," that I am Ma's child, and I used to really take that seriously, and it meant a lot. By him saying that, it meant a lot to me. Even today, I have the ring that was prayed by him and given to me. I still wear this ring. I'm 39 years old now, and I think this ring was given to me when I was a kid, and I still wear this ring. Also, I have him in my heart, my memories. I've been here in the United States. I moved from India to United States, and I have been here for 22 years. And these 22 years, I have a picture still of Guruji right here. This is the picture of my Guruji. Okay. I still have this picture, and I keep that picture next to my bed. This picture stays next to my bed. And whenever I feel like, I need him, I just think about him. And Guruji has always said that, when you think about me and you want to remember me, just take an agarbatti, do an agarbatti, and you will remember me, say a prayer. And I have his picture, and, whenever I feel down or I feel like I'm lost and I need his guidance, I just do an agarbatti, or I just, look at the picture next to my bed, and I find my way. And through these times that right now we are in, the pandemic times, it's been very, very, very hard on me, working in a lab, working next to people. I do fingerprinting for the FBI and the state police here, and I have to be next to people fingerprinting them every day. And we know how these doctors and nurses are working next to people, and it's so hard for them and their families. My wife, Rima, who has Ma in her name, which was like, I was like, I found a wife with Ma in her name, like I'm Ma Guruji Kashikaji Maharaj, Abanji. These names I'm always chanting these names, and she's pregnant right now, and we are having a baby soon, and it's a girl. And it's so stressful in these pandemic times for me to go out and work and come back, and just constantly thinking about keeping myself safe, my family safe, my wife safe, my soon to be born baby safe. But the faith in my Guruji has kept me going always, and throughout this pandemic and throughout my life. And Guruji has given us a lot of happiness, a lot of blessings, a lot and lots of good things. And so I really thank him for that. And once again, thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity for me to be able to say a few words about him. If I have made any blunders in this video, please forgive me, but this was all straight from the heart. This was nothing rehearsed, nothing written down. So thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity once again. Thank you.
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरुर्साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः।
नमस्ते, मैं प्रोफेसर गौरांग भावसार द महाराजा सायाजीराव यूनिवर्सिटी की फैकल्टी ऑफ परफॉर्मिंग आर्ट्स के तबला विभाग में कार्यरत हूँ। मैं माँ अबांजी का शिष्य भी हूँ। उन्हीं के कारण गुरुवर्य श्री पंडित KKS जिजीना जी के संपर्क में मैं था। गुरुजी एक धर्मनिष्ठ, लागणीशील एवं हर हमेश मार्गदर्शन देने वाले परम पूज्य व्यक्ति थे। उनके मार्गदर्शन के कारण अबांजी जैसी महान व्यक्ति तबला जगत में अपना योगदान दे सकी। उन्हीं के पथ चिन्ह पर हम विद्यार्थी लोग भी चले। उनका इंस्पिरेशन, उनकी जो मार्गदर्शन था वो हमें मिला। तो वैसे हमारे पंडित KKS जिजीना साहब को मैं नतमस्तक प्रणाम करता हूं और उनकी 100वीं बर्थ जयंती पर उन्हें सादर याद करता हूं। और उन्होंने जो हमारे जैसे विद्यार्थियों के जीवन में पथदर्शक की भूमिका निभाई है, उसके लिए मैं उनका आज अभिनंदन करता हूं और उनके आशीर्वाद भी चाहता हूं। नमस्ते। फिर से मैं पंडित KKS जिजीना साहब को अपना श्रद्धा सुमन समर्पित करता हूं। नमस्ते।
नमस्कार एंड वेरी गुड इवनिंग। मैं रेशमा श्रीवास्तव इलाहाबाद से। और सबसे पहले तो मैं रूपा बहन को बहुत बड़ा सा थैंक यू बोलूँगी, रूपा बहन एंड द होल स्वर साधना समिति फैमिली, कि यू गेव मी दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू से फ्यू थिंग्स फॉर गुरुजी एंड विश हिम अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे। सो थैंक यू सो मच। इवन आई फील माई सेल्फ पार्ट ऑफ स्वर साधना समिति फैमिली, क्योंकि मेरे पापा श्री गिरीश चंद्र श्रीवास्तव जी, अबान बुआ, गुरुजी, रूपा बहन, जावेरी सर, सब एक परिवार के तरह ही मैंने सबको देखा है। और मैंने लाइफ का पहला प्रोग्राम जो बॉम्बे में बजाया है वो आपके मंच से ही बजाया है। स्वर साधना समिति के मंथली कॉन्सर्ट में मैंने बजाया है एंड दैट वाज लाइक माय फर्स्ट स्टेप टू बॉम्बे। और गुरुजी के बारे में तो इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं, मैं इतनी बार उनसे मिली हूँ और आई फील सो लकी दैट आई हैव सीन हिम। मैंने उनके पाँव छुए हैं, मैंने उनका आशीर्वाद लिया है, मैंने उनके सामने बहुत बार बजाया है। And the beautiful aura and the beautiful smile and such a handsome human being and such a sweet, polite person that he was. उनकी जो image हम लोग के दिल में बैठी है, it's just so beautiful to just close my eyes and go through the whole past and make a nice circle around that past and feel happy. So thank you so much again, Swar Sadhana Samiti, for letting me part of this whole event. And Guruji, very, very happy birthday, Guruji. आप जहाँ भी हैं हम लोग को अपना आशीर्वाद देते रहिए एंड वी लव यू। प्रणाम।
नमस्कार। स्वर साधना समिति मुंबई के संस्थापक पंडित KKS जिजीना साहब को उनकी जन्म शताब्दी के अवसर पर सादर नमन करता हूं। पंडित जिजीना जी जिन्होंने भारतीय संगीत को प्रतिभावान कलाकार दिए, उसके साथ ही उन्होंने स्वर साधना समिति के मंच से देश के प्रमुख कलाकारों को मान सम्मान दिया। आज उनका ये आंदोलन संगीत का लगातार चलता रहा है और ये चलता रहेगा। पंडित जिजीना जी की शिष्या डॉक्टर आबानी मिस्त्री, जिन्होंने पूरी दुनिया में भारत का नाम रोशन किया, ये उन्हीं गुरुजी की देन है जिन्होंने अपनी शिष्या की प्रतिभा को संवारा और निखारा। ऐसे गुरुजी और महान संत को मैं प्रणाम करता हूँ, नमन करता हूँ।
नमस्कार जी, मैं मस्जिद भाई सितार मेकर मेरठ से बोल रहा हूँ। मुझे ये बताने में बहुत आनंद हो रहा है कि पंडित KKS जिजीना इनकी जन्म शताब्दी, बर्थ सेंचुरी ये मना रहे हैं स्वर साधना समिति मुंबई की ओर से। मुझे हमारे फैमिली से और गुरुजी के फैमिली से हमारा बहुत पुराना रिश्ता है। जब नीरज आबान जी प्रोग्राम के लिए नवरात्रि में जब आए थे तो गुरुजी उनके साथ में तबला संगत के लिए आए थे। तब से सब हमारा और उनका जो रिश्ता बढ़ गया, तो वहाँ से आज तक मतलब वो फैमिली से इतना गहरा रिश्ता बन गया है कि हम सब लोग उनके फैमिली मेंबर हो गए। गुरुजी के बारे में तो क्या कहना है, गुरुजी तो सितार में माहिर तो थे, तबला में भी माहिर थे। गुरुजी के हम कहीं प्रोग्राम सुने हुए हैं, तबला प्लेयर में तो एकदम माहिर। जब मेरे जो नवरात्रि में जब आते थे तो यहाँ पर जो आबान जी का सोलो तबले का प्रोग्राम था, मतलब होता था हर साल, तो गुरुजी हर साल उनके साथ में लहरा संगत करते थे। लेकिन उनकी जो हारमोनियम पर उंगलियां चलती थी, इतना मिठास उनकी उंगलियां जादुई लग जाती थी। इतना मिठास उनकी जो लहरें संगत होती थी, वो लोग तो अभी भी उनके याद करते हैं। और जब उनका प्रोग्राम का दिन आ जाता था तो लोग उनका बेसब्री से इंतजार करते थे कि गुरुजी और आबान जी कब नीरज आ रहे हैं, उनका कब प्रोग्राम सुनना मिलेगा। पहले तो नवरात्रि में जो प्रोग्राम होता था वो रात में होता था, तो कितना भी लेट होने तो लोग उनका सुनने के लिए बैठ जाते थे। तो घंटा 2-2 घंटे उनका प्रोग्राम चलता था, तो दोनों की ऐसी जुगलबंदी चलती थी, लोग तो मतलब सुनते सुनते दंग हो जाते थे। इसलिए जब वो आबान जी का और प्रोग्राम आखिर तक नीरज में दोनों आ जाते थे, तो पहले हमारे दुकान में आ जाते थे मेरे पिताजी आबा साहब सितार मेकर। उनके साथ तो उनका भाई बहन, आबान जी का भाई बहन का रिश्ता, गुरुजी के भाई बहन का रिश्ता बन गया था सब लोगों का। तो उससे वजह से हम लोग का एक रिश्ता ही अलग था उनके साथ में। तो गुरुजी का जो नीरज जब आते थे, पहले हमसे मुलाकात करने के लिए बेताब से इंतजार करते थे, तो हमसे मुलाकात हो जाती थी तो बड़ा आनंद हो जाता था। मैं जब छोटा था तो उनका स्वर साधना समिति का संगीत महोत्सव बॉम्बे में चलता था, तो संगीत रत्न से हम पिताजी को भी वो सम्मानित कर चुके हैं। तो इतने अच्छी तरह से वो जब आबान जी और गुरुजी आया थे तब तक वो संगीत स्वर साधना संगीत महोत्सव चल जाता था। उनके पश्चात अभी जितेंद्र भाई जवेरी फैमिली, रूपा सेठना जी की फैमिली और फिरोज कटेले की फैमिली, ये मिलकर उनका जो कार्य है आगे ले जा रहे हैं। इसलिए मुझे बड़ा आनंद हो रहा है। जय ताल सुर संगीत।
Namaskar. The city of Mumbai the first city of modern India, assumes this distinguished position for many undisputed reasons, including the city of culture, traditional and modern, both living happily together and complementing each other. It is the first city of classical music too, accommodating all gharanas and their artists, contributing to the rainbow mosaic fabric of the great Hindustani music. Parsi community, a small minority, came to Gujarat in Western India from Persia, Iran origin of the Middle East, and brought along with its community music. Parsis then moved to Mumbai, and their music, drama was a fascination which eventually inspired the Marathi Sangeet Natak towards the end of the 19th century. Although Parsi community, mainly located in Mumbai, was musically drawn towards Western music, but a small section took to Hindustani music. The Parsi Gayanottejak Mandali was formed, which organized regular music concerts to encourage young talents. Renowned musicologist Pandit V.N. Bhatkhande was associated with this Mandali in his younger days. Later, a formidable personality from this community emerged as a talented and devoted Sangeet Sadhak and later a guru, who was Pandit K.K. S. Jijina. Pandit K.K. Jijina had a saint-like personality who played and taught sitar. He had tremendous faith in Hindustani music and was devoted to the goddess Ma Saraswati. Among his many shishyas, the most notable is Dr. Aban Mistry, the tabla virtuoso. This Guru-Shishya pair was so unique that one is known by the other. Abanji as a Shishya of Jijinaji and Jijinaji as a Guru of Abanji. Pandit Jijinaji with Abanji established Swara Sadhana Samiti, which has been continuously holding monthly Sangeet Sabhas uninterruptingly for more than 710 months, almost 60 years now, creating a record. Jijinaji was very knowledgeable and humble person, a true saintly guru. I am very fortunate that I knew him and met him on many occasions. I offer my deep respects and pranams to him on this occasion of his birth centenary. Namaskar.
In commemoration of Pandit Keki S. Jijina's birth centenary, we present a solo recital, a vocal recital by none other than Pandit Vidyadhar Vyasji. The name Pandit Vidyadhar Vyas is synonymous with excellence in the world of Hindustani classical music. Born in 1944 in Mumbai into a progressive thinking musical family of Pandit Narayan Rao Vyas, Vidyadhar pursued academic and musical studies simultaneously. Groomed in the Gwalior Gharana and the illustrious lineage of Sangeet Maharshi Pandit Vishnu Digambar Paluskar, Vyasji was trained in Khayal, Tarana and Bhajan Gaiki by his renowned father, Gayanacharya Pandit Narayan Rao Vyasji, an outstanding disciple of Pandit Paluskar. Vidyadharji soon grew into a maestro and a top-notch performer with arduous riyaz, being gifted with a melodious voice and ability to present a unique, beautiful blend of khayal. He holds an MA in sociology from the University of Mumbai and a Sangeet Acharya, a doctorate in Hindustani classical vocal music from the Akhil Bharatiya Gandharva Mahavidyalaya Mandal in Mumbai. Vyasji was also awarded the coveted Senior Fellowship of the Indian Council of Social Science Research in New Delhi for his postdoctoral research. He held the post of Vice Chancellor of Lucknow University, honored by the President of India with the Sangeet Natak Academy Award in 2007, and became Executive Director of ITC Sangeet Research Academy at Kolkata. He has performed at major music citadels in India, been awarded top grade status by All India Radio, empaneled as an outstanding artist by the Indian Council of Cultural Relations, and is popular on TV. His repertoire has been recorded by HMV, Magna Sound, and many more. Earlier in his career, Pandit Vyas also showed his thespian flair briefly under the name Atul Vyas for Marathi musicals and Natya Sangeet. He is widely traveled performing and teaching in India and globally. He's a renowned guru and researcher. He grooms his shishyas in the Guru Shishya Parampara, serves on many state and national music committees and boards, is an expert member of university music faculties, and has written many articles and research papers for leading music journals. A few of Vyasji's vast bounty of awards are the Bhuvan Bhaskar Samman, Sangeet Shiromani, Swar Sagar Sangeet Puraskar, Sangeet Natak Academy Award, and the National Tansen Award as recent as 2019. Panditji has performed for Swar Sadhana Samiti before. He is a Swar Sadhana Ratna awardee and a close friend of our past president, Jiten Zaveri. Now all this makes him a most treasured part of Swar Sadhana Samiti. Today, he is accompanied on the tabla by Shri Sagar Gujarati and on the harmonium by Dr. Vinay Mishra. Pandit Vidyadhar Vyas begins his recital with Rag Shankara in Vilambit Tilwada and Drut Tarana, following with Rag Basant in Madhya Lay Tintal and Drut Ektal. And the finale is a bhajan, Ram Nam Dhyan. Quite simply, Swar Sadhana Samiti is indeed honored to have Panditji perform to commemorate our Pujya Guruji, Pandit Keki S. Jijina's May 2021 commemorative program. Pandit Vidyadhar Vyas.
So so January, so January, January, so January, Janu, Janu, So Januri Janu Bala Badal Kete Hare Lachna So Janur So Januri Janu Uttara Bana Utara Banavata 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 Utara Banavata Banavata Utara Banavata Utara Banavata Utara Banavata Banana 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 Udara Banavata Udara Banavata Udara Banavata Banana कहे देता सब लाजना सो जानो रे जान सो जानो रे So Janure Janure So Janure Paga Bagareda Sabaga Baga 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 Bagareda Gaya Papa Nina Bada Bagareda Gapanida 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 Nida So Janure Gavanina Gavardo gare da ni da ba pa ga ni da gare da ni da ta ga pa re da sa ga pa ni da ni da ni da ni da ba da pa ga pa ni da gare da ni re da ni da pa ga pa ga re da ni da so janu de ja ga pa pa ni re da ni da pa ga pa ni da pa ni da ga re da ni da ni da pa ga pa ni da ga re da ni da pa ga pa ga re da ga pa pa ni re da so janu de ja so janu de ja पशुपत गिरिजावर शंकर हर गायने पशुपत गिरिजावर शंकर पशुपत गिरिजावर शंकर हर गायने वामदेव महादेव वामदेव महादेव गंगाधर शिव पिनाकी गंगाधर शिव पिनाकी नीलकंठ शूल पाणि पशुपत गिरिजावर पशुपत गिरिजावर पशुपत गिरिजावर शंकर हर दानी पशुपत गिरिजावर शंकर नवल किशोर पर नवल किशोर पर की जय कृपा दान की जय कृपा दान भक्त चरण करित मन भक्त चरण करित नमन शंभु सहित श्री भवानी शंभु सहित श्री भवानी पशुपत गिरिजावर शंकर हर दानी पशुपत गिरिजावर पशुपत गिरिजावर शंकर हर दानी पशुपत गिरिजावर शंकर हर दानी वामदेव महादेव वामदेव वामदेव महादेव वामदेव महादेव गंगाधर शिव पिनाकी गंगाधर शिव पिनाकी नीलकंठ शूल पाणि नीलकंठ शूल पाणि पशुपत गिरिजावर शंकर हर दानी नवल किशोर पर नवल किशोर नवल किशोर पर नवल नवल किशोर राम नाम ध्यान ध्यान राम नाम ध्यान ध्यान विमल चरितामृत पाना विमल चरितामृत पाना राम नाम ध्यान ध्यान राम नाम ध्यान ध्यान रमणीय रामा रघुकुल ललामा रमणीय रामा रघुकुल ललामा सोमावतार रामा सोमावतार रामा राम नाम ध्यान ध्यान राम नाम ध्यान ध्यान विमल चरितामृत पाना विमल चरितामृत पाना राम नाम ध्यान ध्यान राम नाम ध्यान ध्यान सीता सुमित्रा सुता सीता सुमित्रा सुता मारुतियुता सीता सुमित्रा सुता मारुतियुता लोकाभिराम राम लोकाभिराम राम राम नाम ध्यान राम नाम ध्यान राम राम नाम राम नाम राम नाम ध्यान 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 राम नाम ध्यान राम नाम राम नाम राम 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 नाम ध्यान राम नाम राम नाम राम राम नाम ध्यान राम नाम राम राम नाम राम नाम राम राम नाम ध्यान 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 राम नाम ध्यान राम नाम ध्यान 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 राम नाम ध्यान ध्यान राम नाम 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 ध्यान राम 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 नाम ध्यान ध्यान राम नाम राम राम ध्यान राम नाम ध्यान ध्यान राम नाम राम नाम राम नाम ध्यान ध्यान विमल चरितामृत पाना विमल चरितामृत पाना राम नाम ध्यान राम नाम ध्यान राम नाम ध्यान राम नाम
We hope you have enjoyed our very special 711th monthly program to commemorate and indeed celebrate the birth centenary of Swar Sadhana Samiti's co-founder, Pandit Keki S. Jijina. We thank you for being our audience and look forward to meeting you again on our online YouTube channel on the 20th of June for our 712th monthly program. Till then, we wish you good health. Namaste.